This is one of the first in Nadarivatu bakery to be made through government initiative under the Ministry of Women and Welfare. Here we've seen today, ladies have come in numbers to come and witness, shows how we are grateful to the government for this opportunity given to them. We hardly get bread here in Nadarivatu. If you need bread in Nadarivatu, you need to go right down to Tapua to get bread for 2 days or 3 days. As we are here today to witness that today we'll be getting fresh bread. It's good, not only good for the people of Lewa, but it will benefit the whole people who are here. We have the FEA personnel who are here, the Chinese company, few of their employees are here. We have the government departments and villages that can benefit from this bakery. It's a source of income for the women of Lewa. As I said, this is the first for Sabatu. We are intending to build more resource center for women to try and bring them to the level where we are in town, so that they get their income daily and they're able to support their family, whatever little they have with them. As we speak, they are serving the community of Lewa, the nearby villages, Maro and Nayava, but they are looking at extending to cater for the whole villages of the Tikina Sabatu. We've got about 8 villages in Sabatu, and they are intending to increase once they start operating.